Hi, my name is Prathyush Akepati, co-founder CTO of THANOS. This is our production facility. Let me walk you through this. So this is our 5-liter agriculture model. So this is come for general service from one of the educational institutions. So this is being serviced here. This is a type certified 10-liter agriculture drone. So this comes with an obstacle avoidance system, front-facing camera, and a ground-facing radar. We have 2 of these models that have been type certified. This has got an industry-leading flight time of over 22 minutes, and it carries a 25Ah lithium-ion battery. So here we are assembling one of our training drones. This is our Abhyasa model. This is specifically for drone training institutions for pilot training. And this has got an industry-leading flight time of over 65 minutes. This is our second type certified model, Sina H10. This also is a 10-liter model. This comes with the same 25Ah battery. The only difference between the 2 models is this particular model doesn't have an obstacle avoidance system. So these are our defense grade applications. So this drone has a laser range finder with a thermal and RGB camera. These has a public announcement system and has a payload drop capacity of over 5 kilos. And this one has a 30x optical zoom camera and a 180x digital zoom. This also has a payload drop capacity of over 5 kilos and has a flight time of over 45 minutes. These drones are typically used for perimeter surveillance, for object tracking and facial recognition and other applications. So these drones can be also integrated onto this charging pad, where once the drone lands, it automatically charges. It has a precision landing system which allows it to land precisely on this particular landing pad. So with this system, there is no need for the battery to be swapped. It automatically charges once the drone lands. So this also comes with a public announcement system and a thermal camera. This is our latest model. This is a kamikaze drone specifically designed for the defense. So this is a tube-launched drone with explosive payload capacity of 200 grams. It automatically opens like this. This has got a throw mode. So the moment you throw up, it automatically arms itself. And this is the area where it carries the explosive. It's got an impact-based trigger. So based on the accelerometer calculations, the trigger is set and the drone explodes. THANOS provides end-to-end solutions with regards to unmanned systems, including aerial and surface vehicles. We also provide custom drone solutions for our customers, including software development and firmware development. These are some of our latest products. These are unmanned surface vehicles of payload capacity of 200 kilos and 100 kilos. They have a typical runtime of 6 hours. These are used in rescue operations for riverbed mapping and aquaculture. They are also used in coastal surveillance and lake bed mapping.